Look at that. Rechargeable LED work light. It is rechargeable via USB cable, Type C, or solar rechargeable. It's got a solar panel on the back here. This thing's pretty sweet. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me show you a few things about this. This is obviously great if you got a shop. So we have a handle on the back here that can be rotated around, so you can set this thing at any angle you want. This can actually close down too. You set this thing at all kinds of different angles on here, straight up and down. You can tighten the handles here to keep it into place, whatever you want to do. You can also tighten the solar panel down to put it into a certain place if you want. It is waterproof. It's good for rain and all kinds of other different things. It's got several LED lights on here and it's super bright, and I'm going to test this out tonight. Just to show you real quick, it has 4 different modes on there. So we got mode 1, which is going to be white light. We got mode 2, which is warm light. Mode 3, which is warm and bright light. And mode 4, which is a safety, like an SOS light. It's made out of like an ABS plastic material. It has a handle on it. It also has on here, there's a little hook that it can flip up. So if you want to hook this thing up and hang it somewhere, it has these silicone covers on the outside here. Here's the on-off switch. When you open this up, you can charge it right there via the USB cable, and you get an indicator to tell you how much battery's left. When you got it charging, it flashes green and it turns solid green when it's charged. And you also have a USB out right here if you wanted to charge a phone, for instance. It also functions as a power pack, so you got one out on that side along with the in, and you also have on this side outputs here, which aren't too common. I don't use these around here, but we have 4 of those, and we also have 6 other charging ports right here. You have 5 normal USBs and 1 USB out right here. You know, a couple of cool features about it is it's completely cordless. It's lightweight. Right here, it doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but it is big enough to cast a wide light. They say if you're not going to use it very often, you want to make sure you charge it up once a month. We'll see what it looks like in the backyard. I have a townhouse backyard. We'll see if we can light the whole thing up with this thing or not. Alright, again, I got a dark backyard out here, back of my townhouse. So here we go, light setting 1. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. Alright, let's go light setting 2, warm light. Let's go light setting 3, warm. This is pretty wild. Warm and white light. And then we'll go with the emergency lights. So as you can see, it is a pretty bright light. So if you're looking for an LED work light that's rechargeable via solar power and via USB Type-C cable, very bright, 4 different light settings on it, from emergency settings to white light to warm white. Something like this would be great for mechanics. If you're working on your car, I'm going to use this as an emergency light if the power goes out. That's perfect for me. This would be great on a job site. Maybe you're a technician, you work in people's basements, you know, maybe do AC work or a phone company or something like that, or you like to have a light on you in your truck just in case you need one. This one's perfect for it, but definitely check out this LED work light.